Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to open Magnifier in Windows 11. So click on start, type settings. Now open settings. Now click on accessibility. Here you will see Magnifier, reading, zoom in, increment. So click on it. Now here you will see option to turn on and enable. Turn on this option. Now you can see this dialog box. You can zoom and you can minimize. So zoom out and zoom in. And also you can turn on speech if you have problem to see, so you can listen some activity what you're doing. This will save. Here you can set zoom level and zoom increment, and all settings are here. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. In this video we will learn how to open Magnifier in Windows 11.